Can you trust IC Markets with your money? Join us as we share our findings and insights resulting from 50 hours of hands-on testing of the broker. We thoroughly explored what IC Markets offers, focusing on key aspects such as regulations, trading, platforms, and fees. Watch now to find out if IC Markets is the right broker for you. First, let me introduce our team. FX Empire has been reviewing Forex brokers for over 12 years. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex and CFD brokers. Our editorial staff consists exclusively of market analysts and professional traders with decades of market experience each. We understand your needs and challenges, ensuring that our reviews offer trader-to-trader insights. IC Markets is a Forex and CFD broker established in 2007. The Sydney, Australia-based broker offers a wide range of over 2,250 CFDs, including currency pairs, commodities, indices, shares, ETFs, futures, and cryptocurrency. IC Markets employs an ECN execution model, which provides direct market access by matching orders from traders directly with market participants, like banks and liquidity providers. This leads to tighter spreads, faster execution, making it ideal for traders who prioritize transparency and efficiency, especially in day trading or scalping. So what are IC Markets' main pros and cons? Which traders are gonna get the most out of the broker's services? And most importantly, can you trust it? Keep watching to get all these answers by the end of the video. And hey, feel free to jump to any specific part that grabs your attention and just use the chapters feature right below. Let's begin with the trust category. When analyzing a broker's safety and trustworthiness, we examine several factors: regulatory compliance, trader protection measures, stability, and the broker's overall transparency. IC Markets is regulated by two top-tier agencies, SISEC and ASIC, and is overseen by the Seychelles FSA for its offshore entity. With an operating history of over 16 years, IC Markets has extensive experience in the industry. Its European and Australian entities provide additional security through negative balance protection, segregated accounts, and a compensation fund for EU traders. Offshore clients face less regulatory protection, though they do have a safety net with Lloyd's of London insurance covering accounts up to $1 million. Our research shows that IC Markets is transparent about its regulatory status and financial practices, evident through the clear details on its website and easily accessible legal documents. Based on our findings, we gave IC Markets a solid trust score of 4.1 out of 5. Now let's have a look at their trading fees. We tested spreads at IC Markets across various assets using the MT4 and MT5 platforms via the standard ECN and raw spread accounts. For a greater perspective, we conducted the tests at different times of the day during both London and New York trading sessions. Both standard and raw accounts at IC Markets offer highly competitive spreads, especially for major Forex pairs and indices like the DAX 40. We were impressed by standard account spreads as low as 0.6 pips in Euro to USD, far better than the industry average. The raw spreads account provides even lower spreads coupled with competitive commissions. Another bonus is that IC Markets does not charge any account maintenance or inactivity fees. Swap fees, the cost of holding leveraged positions overnight, are about average for the industry. Considering its spread and commissions relative to industry averages, IC Markets has earned an impressive score of 4.8 out of 5 in the fees category. Next, we tested the trading platforms offered by IC Markets. IC Markets provides access to a variety of trading platforms: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and cTrader. All of them are rich in functionalities and available across web, desktop platforms, and mobile apps. This platform lineup is particularly suited for advanced and algorithmic traders. IC Markets also provides its clients with MT4 add-ons like the Advanced Trading Tool package and third-party plugins from AutoChartist and Trading Central, significantly enriching the platform's functionality. Plus, there's a copy trading platform, Zulu Trade, for clients who prefer a hands-off approach to trading. The broker has launched IC Social, a mobile-only app that provides access to the Signal Start copy service. On top of that, traders using automated strategies can benefit from VPS hosting for enhanced execution speeds and connection stability. Now, let's take a quick tour of the MT4 and cTrader platforms. In this video, we're going to do a walkthrough of the MT4 platform offered by IC Markets. First up, let's take a look at the Market Watch panel. You can right-click, go to Symbols, and select whichever instruments that you want to view. You can also drag instruments up and down to your preference and drag them over to the chart if you want to trade that instrument. MT4 charts feature 30 technical indicators, 9 timeframes, and 23 analytical objects. Trading from the chart and one-click trading are available. You can tile the charts by clicking here. To enter a new order, you can click New Order here. Market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders, and trailing stop orders are all available. The terminal panel at the bottom shows your open orders and running P&L. Exposure shows your exposure to the market. Account history shows your closed trades. Got news here. Under the alerts tab, you can set up price alerts. Now let's look at the cTrader platform interface. Moving on to the cTrader platform, our first stop is the watch list feature. You can create customized watch lists to trade your favorite instruments, or you can view pre-configured watch lists, covering popular markets and various different asset classes. Now let's take a look at charting within the platform. Trading from the chart and one-click trading are available, and charts feature 26 timeframes, 76 indicators, and over 10 drawing tools. Next up, let's take a look at the order entry panel. Market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders, and trailing stop orders are all available. Underneath that, we have the depth of market feature, which shows orders from liquidity providers. Underneath that, we have Auto Chartist, which gives trading signals based on chart pattern. Finally, we have the panel at the bottom here, which tracks your positions, your open orders, your trade history, and also shows key metrics like your balance equity and unrealized P&L. Our score for IC Markets platforms and tools is 4.1 out of 5. Lastly, let's discuss the broker's instrument offerings. IC Markets provides a wide selection of various CFD assets, 61 Forex pairs, 44 commodities, 2,100 global stocks, 25 indices, and 21 cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the broker offers less commonly found CFDs, including bonds, ETFs, futures, and soft commodities like sugar. We rated the range of tradable instruments at IC Markets as better than average with a score of 4.7 out of 5 for this category. Let's summarize our findings. IC Markets, established in 2007, is regulated by 2 top-tier agencies, ASIC and SISEC. The offshore entity is regulated by the Seychelles FSA. It operates as an ECM broker, providing low trading costs and fast order execution to its clients. The broker offers a variety of trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and 5 and cTrader, equipped with tools like Trading Central and Auto Chartist, and VPS service. These platforms, especially favorable for algorithmic traders, support a range of strategies. IC Markets also offers a diverse selection of over 2,250 trading instruments, including futures, ETFs, and bonds. However, it also has cons, such as a steep learning curve for its platforms and lighter regulatory oversight for its offshore entity. IC Markets caters well to advanced traders and those interested in automated social and copy trading, thanks to its range of platforms. While these platforms are rich in features, beginners might find them somewhat challenging. Combined with their extensive trading instruments and competitive trading costs, this makes IC Markets especially attractive to active traders and market professionals. In our evaluation, we awarded the broker an overall score of 4.5 out of 5, marking its offerings as above average. And that wraps up our review of IC Markets. If you think this broker meets your trading needs, you can find a direct link to their website in the description. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about IC Markets, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. See you in the next video.